Hey, it's been a while since the last video, but since then, I've not really found much time for sculpting. However, just lately, I've worked on a couple of characters, an elf archer, and have almost completed this dwarf warrior. If you're new to the channel, while sculpting, I'm always thinking about how to develop the Sculpt Pies add-on I use, which speeds up the workflow while sculpting in Blender. In this video, I'd like to go over some of the features I've added. If you'd like a full overview of what the add-on can do, check out the description for links. First up are a few additions to the Modifier Pie. Union and diff are just shortcuts to the bool tool add-on operations. Union combines objects, and diff reduces an object using a second one. Subdivide adds a subdivision surface modifier and applies it, doubling the geometry. Also, something I've named Decimate Nudge, which slightly decimates the object. In my experience, sometimes while booleaning objects together, there can be issues where one object disappears or the result is a non-manifold object. Then this can come in handy, as tweaking the geometry or moving an object slightly can sometimes solve these issues. Next, I've added a new pie called Mask. I've added 3 operations to this relating to Mask Slice. Mask Slice works just like the function in Blender, except it clears the mask after, as I never find much use for that. Mask Slice to new object makes the Blender one more consistent by first applying any scaling and removing parents. This gives you a more predictable result and also clears the mask at the end too. Mask Slice Overlap is similar to Mask Slice New Object, except it preserves the masked area and creates a new overlapping object from it. Great as a starting point for clothing or armor. Then finally, I've made an improvement to the flip pie. It now applies scale so you can sculpt right away after flipping. So, if you think the Sculpt Pies could help you in Blender, grab it on my Gumroad. All the links for downloading and installation are in the description. My name's Martin, and I love to create fantasy miniatures using Blender. On the channel here, I like to create videos relating to all that kind of stuff, and to help out others doing the same. If you get value from the content I create, you can find me on Patreon, and also a donation on Gumroad when downloading the files I provide goes a long way. Thanks to everyone who's already supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.